we're going over the process. For replacing the upper strut mount spherical bearing joint, first, we grab the right tool for removing the strut mount, assemble it, then loose the strut mount bolts and remove the mount. Remove the bushing on top of the mount. Use a screwdriver gun with a 5mm hex bit. Loosen the adjustment bolt on top of the mount. Then separate the spherical bearing joint from the strut mount. Now, let's remove the spherical bearing joint itself. To take it apart, we'll need a tool that you have to make by yourself. Then we measure the tool out. You need 2 cylindrical pins. Each pin should be around 3.5 millimeters. The center-to-center distance between the 2 pins should be about 29 to 30 millimeters. On the bottom side of the spherical bearing joint, there's a lock ring. Right here, you can see it. And use the tool. Fits right into it. Use a screwdriver gun. We made the top part of this tool as a hex head. Use the screwdriver gun to loosen it. Then you can remove the lock ring. Now let's go through how to remove the spherical bearing joint. The joint is pressed tight into the upper housing, so we need to find a socket that can fit the edge of the housing. On the bottom side, we need a socket larger than 41 millimeters. On the top side, we hold the inner ball stud, so we need a socket smaller than 28 millimeters. Right here, we use a large 41 millimeter socket as a replacement. Set it under the socket. The stud side of the spherical bearing mount faces up. We use a 21 millimeter socket on the top to press against the upper ball stud. Stick it in a shop press and press the joint out. After removing the old joint, we're ready to install a new one. Please note, don't reuse the old joint. Install the spherical bearing joint. Once it's seated well, place the housing on top of that 41 millimeter socket. Then use a 24 millimeter socket on top. It fits right over it. Install it in with the shop press. Here's what the spherical bearing joint looks like after installation. Once it's seated, we can reinstall the lock ring. When we install the lock ring, we recommend to use thread locker on the threads. This is just for demonstration. Use the same specialty tool to tighten the lock ring down. After installing, reconnect the spherical bearing joint to the upper strut mount. Use the screwdriver gun with the 5 millimeter hex bit. Install the adjustment bolt through the strut mount. Now, the spherical bearing joint replacement is done. Then reinstall the strut mount on top of the coilover. Remove the 2 bushings from the top of the strut. These bushings have 2 steps with different thicknesses. The thicker side faces the strut, which located below the strut mount plate, with the smaller diameter facing up. The thinner side faces above the strut mount plate, which located above the mount plate, with the smaller diameter facing down. First, install them onto the spherical bearing joint housing. On top of the strut mount, install the thick one on the bottom, the thin one on top. Then install the strut mount. Install the nut on top of the strut. And use the specialty tool to tighten it down. The spherical bearing joint in the upper strut mount is now replaced well.